Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Grok account using your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to grok.com. From here on the top right hand side, we're going to see a couple of different options. I've got sign up or sign in. So because we're using our Google account, it doesn't matter which one we're going to choose. So I'm just going to choose the sign in button here. And now a new page will appear and it says log into your account. Log in with X, email, Google, Apple. So go ahead and log in with your Google account like so. Now it should give you an option to use your Google account. So choosing an account, I'm going to choose Tutorial Wiz here. Then it will say redirecting back to Grok. And if we look on the bottom left hand side of the page, or might be the top right, you'll see your user profile, your Google account profile. I'm going to say settings, etc. Sign out. If we go into settings, we can see we have successfully logged into our Grok account using our Google account.